Honda Accord hybrid problems, Honda CR-V hybrid issues, Honda Civic Hybrid reliability, eHEV clutch failure. If you own any of these cars, stop what you are doing and listen to this. There is one component in every Honda eHEV hybrid system that fails more often than anything else, and when it fails, you are looking at a repair bill between $2,000 and $4,000. Honda hybrid repair cost, eHEV transmission problems, Accord hybrid clutch problems. This is not a recall. This is not officially a defect. But if you talk to mechanics who work on these cars every day, they will tell you the same thing. There is a pattern, and it's happening to Honda hybrids at mileages where Toyota Prius, Camry Hybrid, and RAV4 hybrid models are still running flawlessly. Honda versus Toyota hybrid reliability, high mileage Honda hybrid problems. I'm not here to trash Honda. The Accord hybrid is an excellent car. The CR-V hybrid is practical and efficient. The Civic hybrid is impressive. But there is an engineering weak point that every owner needs to know about before it becomes their problem. Honda hybrid common problems, eHEV reliability issues. Today, you're going to learn exactly what component fails, why it fails, how to recognize the warning signs before it leaves you stranded, and what it actually costs to fix. Honda hybrid clutch failure symptoms, eHEV repair cost. If you want car advice that dealerships will not give you and that could save you serious money, hit subscribe right now. And if you know someone who owns a Honda Accord hybrid, CR-V hybrid, or Civic hybrid, share this video with them. This is information every Honda eHEV owner needs to hear. Let's talk about the fatal flaw. Honda eHEV clutch pack failure, Honda hybrid transmission clutch. The component that fails most often in Honda eHEV hybrids is the clutch pack inside the hybrid transmission system, specifically the clutch that connects the gasoline engine to the drivetrain at higher speeds. Honda eHEV direct drive clutch, Honda hybrid mechanical clutch. Here's how the Honda eHEV system works. Honda eHEV system explained. How Honda Accord hybrid works. Honda CR-V hybrid operation. Honda's two-motor hybrid system is clever. Most of the time, the electric motor drives the wheels directly. The gasoline engine runs as a generator to produce electricity for the motor and battery. At highway speeds, a clutch engages to connect the engine directly to the wheels for more efficient cruising. Honda eHEV two-motor system, Honda hybrid direct connection mode. This is different from Toyota's e-CVT, which uses a planetary gear set with no clutches. Toyota Prius transmission, Toyota Camry Hybrid e-CVT. Toyota hybrids blend power mechanically through gears. Honda hybrids use electric drive most of the time and only mechanically connect the engine when needed. Honda versus Toyota hybrid design. The problem is that clutch, eHEV clutch wear. Honda hybrid clutch lifespan, Honda Accord hybrid clutch slipping, Honda CR-V hybrid shudder, Honda Civic hybrid vibration. This is not happening at 50,000 miles. Most Honda eHEV hybrids run fine during the warranty period. But as these cars cross 100,000 miles and approach 150,000 miles, the clutch failures are starting to show up in real-world data. High mileage Honda Accord hybrid, Honda CR-V hybrid 150K miles, Honda eHEV longevity problems. Here's what owners are reporting. Honda Accord hybrid owner complaints, Honda CR-V hybrid forum, Honda Civic hybrid problems reported. Shuddering or vibration during acceleration, especially when transitioning from electric mode to engine mode. This is the clutch slipping or engaging roughly. Honda hybrid shudder problem. eHEV vibration during acceleration, Honda Accord hybrid vibration, a clunking or banging noise when the engine kicks in at highway speeds. This indicates the clutch is not engaging smoothly. Honda hybrid clunking noise, Honda CR-V hybrid banging sound, eHEV transmission clunk. When this happens, the repair is not cheap. Honda hybrid clutch replacement cost, eHEV clutch repair price. Replacing the clutch pack in a Honda eHEV system requires significant disassembly. The hybrid transaxle has to be partially or fully removed. The clutch assembly is internal. This is not a simple external part swap. Honda eHEV clutch replacement procedure. Honda hybrid transmission removal. At a Honda dealership, the repair typically costs between $2,500 and $4,000 depending on the model and labor rates in your area. That includes parts, labor, fluids, and any software updates needed after the repair. Honda Accord Hybrid clutch replacement cost, dealer. Honda CR-V Hybrid repair cost. Honda dealership hybrid repair price. At an independent shop that specializes in hybrids, you might get it done for $1,800 to $3,000, but not every shop has the training, tools, or parts access to do this repair. eHEV independent repair. Honda hybrid specialist cost. And here's the kicker. This repair is not usually covered under the standard hybrid warranty after 100,000 miles. Honda considers the clutch a wear item, similar to brake pads or tires, so even though it's part of the hybrid system, it may not be covered. Honda hybrid warranty coverage. eHEV clutch warranty. Honda Accord Hybrid warranty claim denied. Now let's compare to Toyota. Toyota hybrid transmission problems. Toyota e-CVT clutch failure. Toyota Prius transmission reliability. Toyota hybrids blend power mechanically through gears, no clutches, none to lose or get damaged. The planetary gear set blends power mechanically without any friction surfaces engaging and disengaging. There's nothing to slip, nothing to wear out from repeated engagement cycles. Toyota e-CVT design, no clutches. How Toyota Prius transmission works. Toyota Camry Hybrid e-CVT explained. That's why you see Toyota Prius, Toyota Camry Hybrid, RAV4 Hybrid, Highlander Hybrid, Lexus ES Hybrid, and Lexus RX Hybrid models with 200,000, 300,000, even 400,000 miles still on the original transmission with no clutch issues, because there are no clutches to fail. High-mileage Toyota Prius transmission. Toyota Camry Hybrid 300,000 miles. Toyota Hybrid longevity. Honda's system is more sophisticated in some ways. It feels more like a conventional car. The engine connects directly at highway speeds for efficiency. But that sophistication comes with a trade-off. More complexity, more wear items, more potential failure points. Honda eHEV complexity versus Toyota. Honda Hybrid more parts than Toyota. This does not mean every Honda eHEV will have clutch problems. Many will not, but the risk is there, and it is higher than with a Toyota Hybrid. Honda Accord Hybrid failure rate. Honda versus Toyota reliability statistics. So what should you do if you own a Honda Accord Hybrid, CR-V Hybrid, or Civic Hybrid? Honda eHEV maintenance tips. How to prevent Honda Hybrid clutch failure. Honda eHEV owner advice. First, watch for the warning signs. Shuddering, clunking, vibration during transitions between electric and engine mode, unusual noises when accelerating, any check engine light related to the hybrid system. Do not ignore these symptoms. Honda eHEV clutch failure symptoms. Honda Hybrid warning signs. Second, maintain the transmission fluid religiously. Honda specifies transmission fluid changes at certain intervals, and this is not something you should skip or yen long. Clean fluid with proper friction modifiers helps the clutch last longer. Honda eHEV fluid change interval. Honda Accord Hybrid transmission fluid. Honda CR-V Hybrid fluid service. Third, drive smoothly. Avoid hard acceleration from a stop, especially in situations where the system is constantly switching between electric and engine power. Smooth throttle inputs reduce clutch wear. Honda Hybrid driving tips. How to extend Honda eHEV clutch life. Fourth, if you're still under warranty and you notice any symptoms, document them and get the car to the dealer immediately. If the clutch is failing within the warranty period, Honda should cover the repair. Honda Hybrid warranty claim process. Honda eHEV repair warranty. Fifth, if you were buying a used Honda Accord Hybrid, CR-V Hybrid, or Civic Hybrid, get a pre-purchase inspection from a shop that understands Honda hybrids. Ask them specifically to check for clutch wear, shudder, or any transmission codes. A test drive should include highway driving where the clutch engages. Listen and feel for any abnormalities.
Used Honda Accord Hybrid Inspection, Used CRV Hybrid Buying Guide, Honda eHEV Pre-Purchase Checklist. And sixth, budget for this repair if you plan to keep the car past 120,000 miles. It may not happen, but if it does, you will not be caught off guard. High mileage Honda Hybrid ownership cost, Honda eHEV long-term maintenance budget. Now let's talk about why this matters if you're choosing between a Honda Hybrid and a Toyota Hybrid. Honda Accord Hybrid versus Toyota Camry Hybrid. Honda CR-V Hybrid versus Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Honda versus Toyota Hybrid buying decision. If you're buying new and you plan to trade or sell the car before 100,000 miles, the clutch issue probably won't affect you. Both Honda and Toyota hybrids will likely be trouble-free during that period. New Honda Accord Hybrid reliability. New Honda CR-V Hybrid problems. But if you're buying used, or if you plan to keep the car for 10 years or 200,000 miles, the engineering difference becomes critical. Used Honda Hybrid versus used Toyota Hybrid. Long-term Honda Accord Hybrid ownership. High-mileage CR-V Hybrid cost. A used Honda Accord Hybrid with 90,000 miles might seem like a great deal compared to a used Toyota Camry Hybrid with the same mileage. The Honda might be nicer inside, more refined, better equipped, and it might cost less because Hondas depreciate faster than Toyotas. Used Honda Accord Hybrid value, Honda Accord depreciation. But you need to factor in the risk of a $3,000 clutch replacement at 130,000 miles. Suddenly, the Toyota starts to look like better value even if it costs more up front. Used Toyota Camry Hybrid value, Toyota versus Honda long-term cost. This is the hidden cost of ownership that nobody talks about when comparing hybrids. Honda Hybrid hidden costs, true cost of owning Honda Accord Hybrid, long-term hybrid ownership comparison. Honda makes excellent hybrids. The driving experience is better than Toyota in many ways. The interiors are nicer, the technology is more modern, the cars feel more refined. Honda Accord Hybrid driving experience, Honda CR-V Hybrid interior quality. But Toyota makes more durable hybrids. The engineering is simpler. The components are more robust, the long-term cost of ownership is lower. Toyota Prius durability, Toyota Camry Hybrid reliability, Toyota RAV4 Hybrid longevity. It's a trade-off, enjoyment and refinement versus durability and cost. If you want honest car advice that could save you thousands of dollars, subscribe. Every car has a story, and GearHead Genius is here to decode it.